Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pollo Pesto Pasta Express. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and garlic for a vibrant homemade pesto. Grab about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta like fusilli or pen. Also, prepare 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget olive oil, salt, and black pepper for perfect seasoning. Let's get cooking. Now let's prepare our main components. First, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan and sauté your chicken pieces until they are fully cooked through and lightly golden. Season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. While the chicken cooks, blend your fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese with a good drizzle of olive oil to create a smooth, vibrant pesto. This fresh pesto makes all the difference. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Cook your 8 ounces of pasta according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. Now, in a large bowl, combine the warm, drained pasta with your freshly made pesto. Gently toss to coat, then add your delicious cooked chicken pieces to the mix. To finish, if your pasta seems a little dry, add the reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired creamy consistency. This helps the sauce cling beautifully. Garnish your Pollo Pesto Pasta Express with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for an appealing touch. Serve this delightful dish immediately and savor every bite of your homemade creation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.